Well, this is your day. This is the day that the Lord has made for both of you.
This is for you. I love you, and you're the only woman I want to spend my life with forever. Even when we die, I'll wait for you up there.
Now, are you ready? How about you? Are you ready? Okay. Marichelle, do you take Carl Brian here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do. When the visions around you bring tears to your eyes, and all this surround you, secrets and lies, I'll be your strength, I'll give you hope, keeping your faith when it's gone. The one you should call was standing here all alone. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong, till the day my life is through. This I promise you. This I promise you. I've loved you forever, in lifetimes before, and I promise you never will you hurt anymore. I give you my word, I give you my heart. This is a battle we've won, and with this vow, forever has now begun.